Hello friends. We all know that calcium is an important mineral that is crucial for maintaining bone strength and structure. It is involved in many other aspects of health and required for blood clotting, muscle contraction, and nerve cell function. Although calcium is found in a variety of foods like dairy products, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, but in the present toxic environment, we do not get enough calcium from foods to fulfill our daily requirement. Moreover, we failed to get enough vitamin D3, which is a major catalyst to absorb calcium in the body. That is why Saarvasri Herbs has introduced calcium and vitamin D3 chewable tablets to fulfill our daily calcium requirements. Let's have a look at the benefits of Saarvasri calcium and vitamin D3 chewable tablets. Around 99% of the calcium in the human body is in the bones and teeth. Calcium is essential for the development, growth, and maintenance of the bones. As children grow, calcium contributes to the development of their bones. After a person stops growing, calcium continues to help maintain the bones and slow down bone density loss, which is a natural part of the aging process. And females who have already experienced menopause can lose bone density at a higher rate than males or younger people. They have a higher risk of developing osteoporosis. So SHPL, calcium and vitamin D3 chewable tablets can help enough calcium to maintain bone density and can treat osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. Calcium and vitamin D3 chewable tablets can help to regulate muscle contraction. When a nerve stimulates a muscle, the body releases calcium, and the calcium helps the proteins in muscle to carry out the work of contraction. It can maintain the action of hurt muscles. It relaxes the smooth muscles that surrounds the blood vessels. So it is very useful supplement for keeping your heart healthy. It can treat hyperkalemia and hypocalcemia. It can also be very helpful to maintain your healthy teeth and gum. It can balance your weight and may aid to weight loss. So what are you waiting for? Use Saarvasri calcium and vitamin D3 chewable tablets from now and take one tablet daily or as directed by the experts. Use the Saarvasri calcium and vitamin D3 chewable tablets and be healthy.